Hi all, welcome to TechFish Java. In this video, we are going to discuss about a bridge design pattern. This is a very important design pattern when we are talking about the structural design pattern. So, basically, bridge design pattern is used to decouple the interfaces from their implementation. So, as we know that in Java, we have the interfaces and their implementation classes. So whenever we want to decouple their interfaces with their implementations, we can use the bridge design pattern. And bridge design pattern basically used to hiding the implementation details from the client program also. And it is a very important design pattern when we talk about the structural design pattern. And the importance of this design pattern is shows because it is providing a decoupling between the interfaces and the implementation. So let's just start the implementation part. Okay, so for the implementation of bridge design pattern, firstly what I have done, I have created one Java project where I have been created one main class, and I'm going to take an example of shapes. So for that, firstly I'm going to create one class called one interface called color, and in this interface I'm going to define one method called apply color, and then I'm going to create one abstract class named as shape, and here I'm going to define one constructor of this class, public shape, and here I'm passing the color C, and this dot color to C, and then after I'm going to define one abstract method public void apply color, and now what I'll do, I'm going to create one more class. The class name would be taking as triangle, and this class basically extends this shape, and in this class I'm adding a constructor, and now doing the implementation part. So here what I'm doing, simply writing a message applying color on triangle, and then after what I'll do, I'll just define color dot apply color, and similarly I just define one more class named as rectangle, which is also extending that shape abstract class, creating a constructor, implementing method, and here I'm just defining again that some message, applying color on a rectangle, and then after defining color dot apply color, and again defining one more class called white color, and that color is basically implementing that color interface and overriding the apply color method. So I'm just writing one message that applying white color. Similarly, creating one more class named as yellow color, and which is also implementing color interface and overriding that color method, apply color method, and providing the message. So I think applying the yellow color. So till now what I did, I have been created one color interface which is having an apply color method. I have created one abstract class that is basically having a color interface reference, and it is basically abstracting the apply color face. And then after I have created one triangle class which is basically extends that shape class and providing the apply color as body, so overriding the apply color method, and also this color dot apply color. So the shape having a color and which is basically of color type, so ultimately it is calling a method of their implementation. So I have applied that way. Similarly, we have created a rectangle. For a white color, I have provided the implementation of this apply color method. So created an implementing class for this as white color and yellow color. Now what I'll do, from main class, I'm going to create one shape called triangle, and creating new triangle, and here I'm passing white color, and the triangle I'm going to just call apply color. So with this line, how the bridge design pattern works. So basically bridge design pattern works in there, which is basically providing a decoupling between the color and their implementation. So what we are doing over here, we are calling a triangle, and on the triangle we are passing that color. That color will call the superclass. So it will ultimately calling the apply color of this and printing it on. And let's just write one more statement, and then we will run this code. So, and now I am creating a rectangle, and here I'm creating rectangle, and in place of white color I'm passing yellow color. So this is simply done. Now I'm just trying to run this code and let's see what is happening. Yes, as we can see that after applying color on triangle, this printing applying a white color. So here applying color on triangle, this method is calling, and this method is basically calling whatever the color type we are passing over here. So we are passing white color type, so white colors apply method will be applied. And similarly for yellow color and rectangle is happening. So as we can see that for this, so that way the bridge design pattern basically works. It is basically decoupling between the interfaces and their implementations. So that's it for this program and video. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the like button. Thank you.